Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss what you can do if you forgot your Trust Wallet passcode. First of all, open any browser and type Trust Wallet forgot password in the search bar. As you search for Trust Wallet forgot passcode, you'll find an option like this. Tap on Reset Password. Then tap on Request a link. Now, if you had used an email address while creating the Trust Wallet account, you can use the same email address to get the password reset email. To do that, enter your email address and click on Reset Password. Then after go to Gmail and open the mail that you received from Trust Wallet. Simply follow the steps as said in the mail and you will get a new passcode. If you don't get a password reset email, then it means you cannot recover your Trust Wallet passcode. The Trust Wallet platform itself does not store any of your details, so recovering your passcode once you forget is almost impossible. Likewise, you will also have to remember or copy your recovery phrase. Since it's a high security platform, it does not store any of its user data. So unfortunately, if you don't get a password reset email, then it means you won't be able to recover your account or your passcode. I hope you found this video helpful to some extent. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.